Well, have you ever thought about if you could make a living off YouTube, or maybe live good in this case, or just making money at home? But have you really dreamt about it? Have you thought about it like for realsy? Especially if you have like a 9 to 5 job, or maybe you own your own business where you have to go to work and have employees, because that's where I really could tell you stories the last 30 some odd years. Sometimes it's good and bad owning your own business. In my experience, the worst part about owning your own business is I don't know how to spell employee, but I think it's Employ. Why did I spend that many years dealing with the human condition by owning my own businesses? Oh man, those damn humans. Aren't they pain in the asses? Oh my gosh almighty. If you own your own business and you can work at home, I find it, I got to be honest, it can be distracting because these Lego kits behind me, they didn't build themselves. What I did is I took it upon myself to get up, have me a pretty kick-ass breakfast, maybe a protein shake. I turned some lights on, put on some badass music, maybe a Netflix type movie, and you know what I did? I opened up a Lego kit, like the space shuttle, this custom semi truck. I've got, let's see if I move, you can see the custom television, the semi truck down here, the badass Harley Davidson. Where's the Harley? Can I point to it? Right about there. They didn't build themselves. And if I take you, I'm going to take you on a tour of my studio one time, because I've got almost 400 of these kits all around the whole radio station in the studio. This is just one little wall out of about 50. And when you work at home or out of a studio and you don't have employees bugging you, it can be distracting. You can eat, drink, fidget, get up, pick your nose, go to the bathroom, look to see if you got a booger, play with your face a little bit to count the cracks, and then come back and work for like 26 minutes and think that you've been busting ass. Get up and have a snack, like open an orange up and just peel it and snack on that. And then 20 minutes later, you're still starving. So you make yourself a chicken noodle soup bowl. Well, what's it called? Chunky. I don't know how to really cook soup, so it can be distracting, but you know what? At least it's on your own terms, and you can only kick your own ass if you're being lazy. I just noticed that I have my headset on. It looks like hello, Avon calling. Yes. Or traffic controller. Yes, jet number 7, runway 5. Did you guys eat the chicken? Because I watched that movie Airplane, and you guys all got sick and wrecked at the end of the movie. So, God, I did. But this is a typical day for me, is to wear some cool LiveGood threads, put on a different hat. I wear my headset because I prefer talking on the phone at the same time while working. But if you want to be like an operator or take people's orders, you can do that too. But have you ever really thought about owning your own business and you make enough money to where you can just get up kind of, I don't know, when you want? Sometimes it's good to get up early because New York, if you live on the West Coast, has a 3-hour head start. And I live in Utah, so I'm 2 hours behind New York. But then when you have a business that's worldwide, you're like, well, God, it's midnight, but it's noon over in Australia. And, well, crap, it's midnight here. It's already 8 or 9 in the morning in Europe. That's the thing about a company that you can rock South Africa, India, Singapore. Maybe you want to go up north a little bit and say, hey, what's going on, eh? Our buddies in Canada, or maybe down below, all our friends that are working on their suntans drinking margaritas, they're right below. But it's kind of cool when you have a business that's worldwide. Your income is basically 24/7. If you don't mind making video or posting with a purpose, maybe you want to use some AI technology. There's a lot of ways that you can at least promote LiveGood. And you can do it while sleeping, brushing your teeth, and maybe being lazy, because it's good to watch a movie. You should go boating. You should go fishing. You should go to your kid's soccer game. You should take your wife out on a date. If you quit dating your wife, oh, man, I got a lot of friends that don't date their wives and a lot of friends that don't date their husbands anymore. Ooh, boy, do they need to start doing that. They call me and go, what are you doing this weekend? Okay, my wife has like a baby shower. Let's go out and have some fun. I'm like, you're not dating your wife, aren't you, Billy? All right. So anyway, It's a lot of fun owning your own business. Even if you fail, I don't care. At least I live in America. The American dream is always to own your own home, maybe have that white picket fence and a Chevrolet or a apple pie watching baseball. There's a lot of dreams out there, depending on where you live and what kind of lifestyle and country. And oh my God, there's just so many cool things out there. But one thing that I've always enjoyed, even though I've been kind of making fun of it, is just owning my own business and seeing if I can take $1 and make two. Can I invest $50 and make it where I can live per month? And with LiveGood, I'm not kidding you. For $49.95, you can get in on this business. Okay. To break it down, $9.95 is the monthly membership. All right. Where you can buy healthy wholesale products. All right. CBD oil, protein powder, which I'm addicted to. I'm worried, I'm going on 60 years old in a couple of years, and I don't want to lose my muscle mass and my strength, and I want to be the best version I can be, because no doubt about it, age creeps up to you. I earned every one of these gray hairs, and when I shave them, you can't see them as much, but boy, in 2 days when I make a video, you're going to call me Colonel Sanders. You're going to go, "Hey, Santa, I was good this year. What's up with the long hair, Santa?" I earned every one of these damn gray hairs. And the older I get, I don't want to deal with employees. I love people. I'm a people person. That's why I've been known to be full of poop my whole life with too much chat. And that's why getting into radio at age 19 was my calling. But LiveGood, it's a great company. In my opinion, if you're watching my video and you're thinking about owning a home business that has a legit opportunity to, if you invest $49.95, can you get it back rather quickly? You really can. If you get two people just to sign up that have $40, that's the affiliate fee. If they have $9.95, 40 plus $9.95, for 5 cents less than a 50, that's pretty darn cool, isn't it? Also, if you want to sign up your membership for the year, the company's cool. They're like, "Hey, give me $100, we'll give you 12 months. That locks you in for the year. You don't have to worry about the membership fee." And sometimes that's a hassle because this company doesn't do auto. You don't put your credit card in. Ben, our CEO, and Nodder, they just analyzed other MLMs and, like gym memberships, canning memberships. There's a lot of, do you find like even on apps when you watch movies, you just don't really feel the value of spending 10 or 20 bucks for that app anymore. And then you go to cancel and you can't figure it out. You have to call NASA and go, "How do I cancel Hulu?" You're like, "I don't know." But with our company, if you want to quit LiveGood, you just go to the left of your screen, scroll down, it says cancel. And then if you want to cancel your credit card auto, you can't because there is no auto. There's nothing here. If you want to buy products, you do it just like you're walking into the Piggly Wiggly or Walmart. And that's it, folks. And what's cool is you use our products for 90 days. If you don't like them on the 89th day, send that back. Jupiter, Florida, get your money back. Try another product or go to Walmart or Piggly Wiggly or GNC or Amazon. There's a trillion other places that'll take your money. But with this company, the prices, they're right on the website. The retail prices, you can look those up anywhere. The ingredients on our website, they're clear. All right. Shipping, that's always going to be an if and an or, because I live in Salt Lake City, Utah. Jupiter, Florida, it's a couple thousand miles away. So if I order a couple products, like I always have this CBDB oil here, it's a couple bucks. Comes United States Post Office with tracking. So my shipping's barely $5, $10. If I order protein powder and super reds and super greens and super metallics and super pink, we don't have that, but I'm kind of hoping Ben makes cotton candy flavored vegetable powder and call it super pink. I think that'd be funny as heck. And then when we have rank advancements, we have like bronze, we have gold and platinum and diamond. I'm like, well, let's make one that's like balsa wood or linoleum. There's a lot of other ore. There's a lot of rock out there, isn't there? I mean, I'm a rock and roll guy. You can probably tell by the Kiss drum set in back of my noggin. Can you see it? All right, that's a tribute to the great Eric Carr and Peter Criss. But anyway, oh my God, I have a Kiss hat on too. I just realized. Okay, I'm tired of this. Okay, watch this. There we go. This is the only company that allows, by law, to wear a black hat in the beginning of a video and a red one at the end, you know, if I was working with Amway, I think they'd shut my account off. And with Avon, no way. They're like, Corey, you can only wear an Avon hat in your video, or we're going to make you get a haircut. LiveGood, they're like, it's all good. Your red hat doesn't really match, but it's kind of cool looking, isn't it? Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. All right, we do over 100 and something car shows a year here in Salt Lake City with the great Blaine and Jill. They're awesome, man. They put the old parties together, and we rock and roll and promote the hell out of car shows and stuff. So anyway, live good, feel great. I dig it. We can help you post with purpose. You like the ticky-tacky? A lot of people do. Are you an Instagrammy? I know, billions of people do. I'm a Facebook whore. Call me I like to do Facebook and make people laugh. And with YouTube, it's always been one of my favorites. I'm not the most shy guy, and I enjoy just hanging out with you guys making a video. But is LiveGood a decent opportunity? Will it waste your time? I don't think so. Proof is I've got other stuff that I got going on in my life, and I absolutely make sure that I always have a few hours a day to just sit back and make video, edit them, upload them the best I can. If I did this full time, boy, I could really make my videos better and my capture pages, or maybe I could do a better campaign. But right now, mixed between uploading a little bit of TikTok and Facebook and maybe use some AI artificial, it's hard to say, artificial. I feel like I have a chew in my mouth. I look like a truck driver right now, don't I? Hey, Sue, you got me some chicken noodle soup? All right, I'll be in for the chicken dinner after I park my Peterbilt. And I think I do know actually a waitress named Flo. So anyway, I like LiveGood. I love it. I'm having a great time. I'm going on my 3rd month. I should be gold in no short time. I think by summer, maybe the end of summer, I can maybe earn my way to, oh, what is it, platinum or diamond, or I don't know. I don't even care. I like to help the people that sign up below me first. I'm not worried about myself. I'm lucky enough to have a pretty good life the way that it sits with my red non-matching hat. And I match my Peterbilt Lego truck, though. You see that one right there? So my hat at least matches that Peterbilt, and I do look like a trucker. And I noticed I have a red Mini Cooper hanging right there. Oh, and I got kind of a red Harley Davidson there. But anyway, LiveGood. I hope you look into it. Below this is a link to join in, or just watch the tour. You don't have to join. Just check out the 6-minute video. Our CEO, Ben, he's a cool dude. I like Nodder. He's our marketing director, and we got some really nice doctors that are married, and they're the epitome of health. You know, they live in Florida. They're all tan and healthy and high energy, and I try to be, but then I go, no, that's just not me. Because when I'm done making this video, even though I do have a bunch of really good LiveGood products over here out of, it's up on a shelf here, it's out of camera, but I'll probably accidentally have a pretzel or something, or a hot coffee. Look at my coffee. Look at how much chocolate I put. Do you see? Can you see on my webcam? Do you think that I put enough coffee made in that last, my God, look at that's embarrassing. I'll probably edit that out. So anyway, all right, well, check out this company. I have a good time. I think you will too. That's the best part, I think, about joining a new company is the people that you can meet, and you can rock it worldwide. So, all right, that's going to do it. I'm going to go wash that that coffee mug. That looks pretty bad. You know, this is my favorite cup of all time, but my God, doesn't it look like I just washed transmission parts? Maybe I did. All right, I'll see you guys next video. One should pop up by my noggin here in 2 seconds. All right, take care, guys.